Kasama pa rin natin ngayon ang Executive Director ng Bagong Pag-asa Ministry, John Zulueta. Ano ang tamang response naman ng magulang sa kanyang anak na if they find out na LGBT sila?
Siguro nasanay tayo na nakikita natin pagka ang magulang, pag nakita niyang may LGBT yung kanyang anak, ay nilulublob niya sa tubig o kaya binubugbog. Hindi po nakakatulong yon.
Oo.
Importante na yung attention, okay? Dahil ang ating anak ay naghahanap talaga ng ating attention. Pangalawa, Peter, is affection.
I love that. Amen.
Especially from the same-sex parent. Yung pagmamahal, yun ang hinahanap ng ating anak. At pangatlo, affirmation. Na kumbaga, kung hindi natin laging papansinin yung negative, bakit babading-bading ka? Kundi, pagka nagbuhat siya, sabihin mo, uy, maganda yan, anak. Tamang gawain yan. So it's the affection, attention, and affirmation.
I love that. When you affirm your son, when you affirm your daughter, you're really loving on her and accepting her, you know. Because flesh and blood mo yan. Dapat you're the first one to show nga love. Di ba?
Exactly.
Amen. Amen. So, kapag nalaman na nila ang identity nila kay Lord, how can they live now a victorious life?
Importante hindi lang yung love relationship natin sa Panginoon, kundi importante din yung relasyon natin sa ating kapwa. Yung accountability na katulad ko, nakatulong ng malaki sa akin yung mga tao na napagsasabihan ko kapag I am tempted in my homosexual attraction. And these people will journey with me. And also, importante na makita natin ano ba yung nagtitrigger para mag-act out ka homosexually. Yung bang nauuhaw ka ba sa pagmamahal? So, saan mo kukunin yung pagmamahal na yun? Kukunin mo ba siya sa illicit na relationship? Right. O kaya yung isusurround mo ba yung sarili mo ng mga tao, like ng mga totoong kaibigan na magbibigay sa'yo ng pagmamahal na hindi siya sexual, hindi siya erotic, hindi siya romantic. So yun, importante ang mga bagay na alamin ng isang homosexual na nagbabago kung ano ba yung mga bagay-bagay, yung pangangailangan niya na nagpapauhaw sa kanya para mag-behave siya in a homosexual way. At i-meet niya yon in a legitimate and healthy way.
So, kapag may urge, yun nga, kapag may urge ka, so what do you do?
Of course, because it's a temptation for me, I really need God's strength. So I pray.
I love that.
And
pray.
Secondly is that I surrender to God and say, Lord, please do everything by helping me come out of this situation. And then I could also call a friend.
There you go.
I ask the support of my accountability partners to pray for me, or kung minsan, samahan ako. Kasi the temptation is so strong.
Yeah, it's not just going to last for 2-3 minutes. You know?
Yes, that I needed to be rescued.
Yeah.
And so I seek to be rescued.
I love that. You know why? Kasi John, you're always honest. You're completely honest to God. Although you know that He knows everything, but for you to admit and pray to Him and ask for strength and ask for grace, and then on top of that, reality check, calling a friend, hey, can you keep me company here? I need your help now. Is really taking major steps towards change.